Easy Lift Equipment ELDR series roll manipulators are the safe and ergonomic solution for companies to load and unload rolls from converting or printing equipment. ELDR models are designed for low-volume, light-duty applications with a variety of clamps for handling rolls or cylinders from 5 to 26 inches in diameter and weighing up to 500 pounds. The DC-powered model shown has an RCR1324 clamp for handling rolls from 13 to 24 inches in diameter. The unit also has a counterbalanced base frame to increase the reach of the clamp. All controls are located on the top of the DC cabinet for easy accessibility to the operator, including switches for lifting or lowering, clamping or unclamping, and a continuous 360-degree endless rotation of the clamp, either left or right. It also includes a red safety switch for the clamp function to prevent accidental release of an elevated load. All DC-powered units feature an integrated charger which uses a standard 120-volt wall outlet. The roll clamp is equipped with 16-inch clamping pads to securely clamp a wide range of roll materials. The larger clamping pads are designed to distribute the clamping pressure on the roll to reduce the potential for damage, along with being comprised of SBR rubber to provide a durable yet secure non-marking surface to grip the rolls. For more sensitive roll materials such as plastic films, the clamping force can be regulated with the adjustable clamping pressure option. The standard process requires the operator to clamp rolls from a vertical position on pallets, transport the rolls to converting equipment, and finally lift and rotate the rolls to a horizontal position for loading onto the equipment. The unit is also capable of clamping and removing completed roll material from printing presses for loading onto pallets for shipment to customers. All RCR clamps are available with small roll adapters to increase the clamping range of each respective clamp to handle smaller diameters. Darcore ergonomic casters allow the operator to easily maneuver the fully loaded machine with minimal effort. Popular additional options available for this model include a small roll adapter, adjustable clamping pressure, FDA-approved powder coating, and scale systems for verifying weight or performing inventory. For more information on our products or to discuss the specifics of your roll handling project, please contact us today.